Hey guys, it's me, Charlie, and today I'm going to be doing another vlog, but I'm going to be doing a vlog, the first vlog of today. But there's one thing I need to say. In the title bit, the second video I did with Roxy, we actually didn't put the that it was a vlog, but today I am. So yeah, we're looking at like this watch, which I used in the prank on my sister video. It's like a spy. I'll show you how it works in a minute. And a camera. Now I'm going to be opening this one because I haven't got a camera. I only use a phone. If you guys can see. Yeah, so just going to take you guys out. So here we have a watch, and well, the watch is actually really cool. So first of all, you use the switch and you turn it on, and then it's turned on, and then you press the home button. It turned on. It's like that. What? Okay, I'm just gonna sort out this bit. Hey guys, just hold on 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. And well, I'm actually okay. So, so as well, you can so then there's the home button. You just press that like this. Read it. Like you have like loads of really cool things. There's a game. There's some games. But can you guys see? I'm just gonna go to the settings and like sort out like the brightness so you guys can actually see. Can you guys see it now? Still quite bright actually. Take away one more. You guys, there's like games and stuff. You guys see it now? There's a game, there's a game, a running thing, another running thing, and oh, this is a Monster Identity. Comment down below if you like have one of these though, because it'd be really cool if you did. It'd be so cool if you did, guys. So here you go. This is what it looks like. And comment down below if you want me to do any other videos as well. So cool. That's enough. Next up is this camera, and it looks like this. Zoom. It's not zooming. It's zoomed it's zoomed. There's the picture of the camera. There's like the make and stuff, and then there you go. So let's open it up. Now I've opened it up, I'm going to show you guys what it came with. Number one, a charger to like charge it, I guess. This is what it looks like. This is the leads. Different leads. So wait, let me check out what leads we have. Oh, we have this crazy lead with these two. This one normal lead. Lead, and then yeah, manual, and it says operating manual for HD digital video camera. Pretty cool. And then this is the last thing I'm going to show you. The actual camera. So shiny. Look how shiny that is. Has that. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe to my friends. So my friends, I'll leave it in the comments down below. Just have a fantastic day, and I'll be back with you after 3:15. Bye.